Welcome, guys, to my yet another Sunday chaotic vlog. So, this is how my Sunday routine looks like from morning 6 a.m. to midnight 12.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So hi guys, I've just come back from workout. I'm fully drenched because as you guys can see in the vlog, I have to get ready and go to hospital in about half an hour. So, but फिर भी मैंने सोचा कि मैंने since I completely got drenched and I'll do little bit of masking. So here I am using this plum coconut peptide wala hair mask. It works pretty okay when I'm using it for pre shampoo treatment. It does not work as a mask, but yeah. So 15 minute to say 15 minute while I'm doing other chores, I'll just like let this sit on my hair and quickly shower and then get ready. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. बाल जब गीला होता है ना तो बहुत मस्त दिखता है. It also photographs very nice, but then it becomes frizzy. So to tame down that frizziness, I'm just slightly using mask. I'm on emergency duty today, so whatever calls that I get, I have to go to my hospital. सो प्लान तो मेरा ये नहीं था बट कॉल आ गया एंड बारिश वॉज अनइनवाइटेड गेस्ट विच आई लव्ड क्योंकि बारिश की वजह से वर्कआउट बहुत अच्छा हुआ मेरा बट बारिश की वजह से मैं पूरा गंदी भी हो गई हूँ सो आई हैव टू शावर यूज समथिंग लाइक अ वाइट टूथ comb. One tip, whenever you're combing after when it gets tangled, always comb in the length first, like exactly at the end. पहले वो detangle कर लो, then you can slowly ascend. ओके ये मास्क के बाद कोम कर रही हूँ तो बहुत स्मूथ लग रहा है बाल. आई होप वॉश करने के बाद भी ऐसा ही रहे वो. सॉरी ये वीडियो इज ऑल ओवर द प्लेस बिकॉज आई एम लेजर इन अ हरी. यू गाइस विल बी लाइक आई एम ऑलवेज इन अ हरी. मैं क्या ही करूँ यार. I'm just gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. I fingers crossed that it will work. I'll see you after the shower if I'm able to vlog. So bye. Hi guys, so I'm sorry I couldn't check in between because I was getting late for my emergency surgery. I couldn't shoot also, but it was a small surgery which got over so quickly. तो जल्दी से मैं घर भी वापस आ गई. So I didn't know where to start my chores. I just started folding my clothes and sat by my window. Weather was so nice. Watching my plants and watering my plants always calms me. So let's do some morning skincare routine. I hope you guys like it. Hi guys, I just came back from my emergency work around 12 o'clock right now. रात को भी मेरे को emergency था. I came back home at around 2:30 और फिर सुबह मैं उठ के 5 बजे almost like I went for my morning run and then I got another emergency. So in between I managed to take a breakfast. I of course had to eat from outside. I'm not proud of it but मेरे पास कोई option नहीं था. I just washed my face. सुबह से 3 बार wash कर चुकी हूँ guys. You don't do like that because I dermatologist they say that you have to only wash your face twice but हो नहीं पाता है क्या ही करे ऐसा अगर. It's ideal for those who I feel work from home or who like content creators for instances, those who don't have to step out often. For them it's okay, but for someone who steps out often and work out या फिर ऐसा बार बार बाहर जाना अंदर आना होता है तो उन लोग को वॉश करना ही पड़ता है. स्पेशली Mumbai is so polluted, it's so bad right now. So there's no other option. I'm not proud of it, but I cannot avoid it as well. So I thought, why not do a quick morning skincare routine? Wash my face, it's squeaky clean. I'm trying out this new serum patch from Emcaffeine. बहुत ज़्यादा viral चल रहा है आजकल serum patch, toner patch, and one amongst you suggested that I should try out this Emcaffeine kojic acid pad. I did not know at all. आप लोग ने जब recommend किया तो I just placed an order immediately, and I have been trying out since 2 days only, so I cannot review it for you guys. So this is how the packaging looks like. It has like some good ingredients like alpha arbutin, glutathione, niacinamide, vitamin C complex, kojic acid, etc. So all these ingredients are something that suit me. I don't personally react to any ingredient. That's the reason I bought it. And plus, the packaging is quite good. And it also comes with this tweezer tong kind of a thing, जिससे आप ये pad निकाल सकते हो. I noticed one thing: the pad is completely infused with potent serum. तो ये एक ही बार में आपको काफी हो जाता है पूरे स्किन के लिए. और इवन इतना ज्यादा रहता है कि you actually like is enough for my neck region also. So that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of going in over slowly all over my face. A lot of work today planned, like I have to shoot content, good short format content will shoot karna, so probably I'll be doing it in the evening because I'm super tired. I've just gotten 2.5 hours sleep last night, so मुझे थोड़ा अभी आराम करना है. I'm not sure whether I'll sleep. I don't nap. I'm not a nap person, so probably I'll just rest for some time and watch some Netflix for some time, and then I'll see what I have to eat for my lunch. कल मैंने खाना बनाया था तो वो मेरा बचा है, तो probably I'll just have that. Good thing that I don't have to cook again. So do you guys see, this is very hydrating और अभी भी इसमें बहुत प्रोडक्ट बचा है. So people have also recommended that you can actually take 2-3 just pads and just place it on it and just leave it. So वो soak हो जाएगा. That way you can get like the maximum benefit. But however, I'm not doing it क्योंकि इतना patience मेरे पास नहीं है. So I always like to take it behind my neck and also like on my neck region as well. So as it is, like because of my surgery, I have not been able to apply my moisturizer sunscreen for 2 months क्योंकि pain हो रहा था. और ये काफी ज़्यादा dry and wrinkly हो गया I feel. तो I have started using it, of course. अभी 4-5 महीना हो गया मेरे surgery को. तो now I'm like applying very religiously sunscreen and everything. But yeah, a quick little update. Serum pad is getting absorbed and takes a little while because it's like infused with so much of product. I'll definitely give you my review. As of now I feel it's too soon for me to like say whether this works or not, but I have not broken out yet, which is a good thing. Let's see. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my moisturizer. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge, my holy grail. ये देखो मेरा डब्बा ये भी खत्म होने को आया है. I'm gonna apply very little amount. मेरे आंखें ना अभी ऑलमोस्ट बंद हो रहे हैं, सो बट आई डोंट स्लीप इन द आफ्टरनून गाइस. लाइक आई एम एब्सोल्युटली नॉट अ नैप पर्सन. आई डायरेक्टली स्लीप एट नाइट ओनली. मतलब भले कितना भी मेरा नाइट फायर क्यों ना हो, but I'm not a night person. I'm a morning person. But I cannot sleep in the afternoon. If I sleep, I won't sleep in the night. And for me, like sleeping at night is very very important. I want to pamper up a little. तो maybe आज शाम को ना मेरा plan है कि shoot करके probably I'll do some masking. I'll shoot that also. I'll do some masking, pamper myself a little bit because why not? Moisturizer instantaneously gets absorbed. I'm like in love with the Clinique Moisture Surge. I think it's worth the hype. Then I'm gonna go ahead with this Re-Equal Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen. This has become my holy grail. Even if it's not summer, I'm like kind of addicted to it. अभी मैं घर पे ही हूँ तो मैं इतना ज़्यादा not going out. I'm not applying 3 finger because घर पे ही हूँ and I'm just gonna like light बंद करके रहने वाली हूँ अभी. I'm just gonna relax. So this sunscreen is super matte and it completely gets absorbed. It gives a silicone feel, keeps my oil and sebum at bay. That's exactly what I want. Just to pamper a little bit, मेरे पास ये under eye patches पड़े हैं. This is from Miniso. This is a deep hydrating eye mask which has cucumber and it says it's for soothing. तो बहुत टाइम से पड़ा है तो I thought why not do this. या ये last patch एक बचा है तो थोड़ा मैं pamper कर लेती हूँ because my under eye really needs it right now. My हाथ ऑयली हो गया of course.
One eternity later.
Guys, suggest me some movies यार. मतलब sometimes ना I just want to watch something on Netflix और मुझे समझ में नहीं आता क्या ही देखूँ. और scroll करते करते मेरा time चला जाता है. फिर either I have to sleep or I have to like get going with the day. Uh, I'm not a movie person. I like watching series, and right now I'm hooked on to You. Have you guys watched You? It's about a stalker. It's very nice and thriller. उनके स्टार्टिंग के एपिसोड, ये खुल क्यों नहीं रहा भाई मुझसे? उनके स्टार्टिंग के सीरीज वर रियली गुड, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड सीजन, बट अभी ना वो बहुत ही ज्यादा ऑब्वियस हो रहा है, जस्ट कीप ऑन गोइंग ऑन किलिंग पीपल एंड नो वन फाइंड्स अबाउट इट। कितना भी मास्टरमाइंड हो यार, इतने सारे तुमने मर्डर कर दिए तो कुछ तो एविडेंस रहेगा। बट या आई एम ऑन टू द फिफ्थ सीजन। आई डिडंट नो फोर्थ और फिफ्थ सीजन कभी आया। आई जस्ट केम अक्रॉस फिफ्थ सीजन, फिर देखा तो मैंने फोर्थ सीजन भी नहीं देख रखा था, तो फिर मैंने वो भी देख लिया, वो भी देख रही हूँ। सो या आई बिन वॉचिंग दैट राइट नाउ फाइनली। मैं ना ऐसे, आई डोंट हैव एनी मिरर राइट नाउ, मुझे मिरर निकाल के ऊपर रखने को भी बहुत ज़्यादा बोर मार रहा था। 1 second ना। gives a good hydration, plus it has cucumber, तो उसका cucumber का fragrance भी है, it's very calming and soothing. And ये मेरे को प्रोडक्ट से कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ था, क्योंकि ये थर्ड पैच है, I've already used 2 patches. So I'm not sure ये vlog कैसे होने वाला है. Hope you guys like this. I don't know how far I'll be able to shoot it. कुछ अगर वापस emergency आ गया तो I have to go. So yeah, I'm not sure, but I hope so far you guys like this. I don't know people how they vlog it. मैं बाहर वगैरह जाती हूँ तो मैं तो भाई vlog ही नहीं कर पाती हूँ. I'm like very shy. I'm not a shy person, but मुझे बहुत awkward लगता है. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna relax, change into my pajamas and watch some Netflix, and hopefully finger crossed मुझे कोई emergency ना आए. I'll see you later.
Waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. And love is
Any way you can keep him? No. The vet says that unless he's in a place where he has regular access to some monkey loving.
Hi guys, so फिर से मुझे कॉल आ गया and had to go, but by now I was so much freshened up and was in a right frame of mind.
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Why did I have to go through all of that? And now I know. To prepare me for this.
No, better get in your head. Use your leverage.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. Grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
had my dinner and it's 11:45 and it's so late. I'm gonna watch Netflix for about half an hour or so because I just had my dinner. I cannot sleep immediately, and this is what my skincare looks like. It's pretty much same as what I do almost every day. So I hope you guys like this vlog, and I'm sorry it was haywire, but जितना मुझसे हो पाया उतना मैंने करा है. So just excuse me, and probably I'll see you in my next video. All I can pray is I don't get any more calls again till at least till 8 o'clock in the morning. With that, I'm gonna take off and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.